When you have a spine or a brain condition, the fear is real and you may feel overwhelmed, but you don't have to face it alone. We're here to repair and restore your life. At our state-of-the-art office in Beverly Hills, we specialize in treating complex spine and brain conditions with precision, clarity, and compassion, using today's most advanced surgical and minimally invasive techniques to help you reclaim your best life. From spinal fusion to disc replacement, from minimally invasive brain tumor surgery to microvascular decompression for trigeminal neuralgia, we tailor every treatment to you. Whether you're facing a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, a brain aneurysm, or a brain tumor, we offer expert care using leading-edge approaches like stereotactic radiosurgery, spinal decompression, and image-guided navigation to help you feel better, move better, and live better. We don't just perform surgery, we come alongside you through the entire journey before, during, and after your procedure to help you heal. We treat you with honesty, expertise, and relentless support. We back that up with a state-of-the-art comprehensive recovery facility, including the latest physical therapy advancements right here on the premises so that you don't need to visit any additional specialists. If fear is holding you back from seeking treatment for your complex spine or brain condition, know that we're here to help make sense of your care options and help you move forward confidently.